We're a month away from the reopening of school, and a corporate area school says it's working overtime to ensure all students have devices and access to reliable internet services. TVJ News spoke with administrators of the Dunoon Park Technical High School in East Kingston. Krista Campbell reports.
Dunoon Park Technical High School, nestled in the East Kingston community of Wallington Town, fine-tuning plans for the reopening of school in a pandemic. But one issue seems common to many schools across Jamaica: online learning. Principal Sean Aarons says the school completed a survey in mid-August.
Of the 516 parents who have responded, we have over 75% say that they have device, and over 90% of them say they will have access to internet come September.
Administrators are working on getting the remaining 25% of the 1,000 student population ready in time for the October 5 reopening.
We are trying to see if we can get some additional devices. We are sending out anybody with laptops that they're not using, smartphones, anything that they can give to assist students who need devices.
So our next step is to ensure that we have internet, reliable internet based on what we plan to do. We intend to offer 40% face-to-face instruction and 60% online. And so it means that we must have reliable bandwidth, reliable speed as we go forward.
School administrators have worked out an attendance schedule that will eliminate the need for shifts.
So on one day you'll have grade 7 and grade 9. Next day we have grade 8, grade 10. Next day we have grade 11 and 12, etc. So every single year group will be at school 2 days where they receive face-to-face instruction.
And for COVID-19 safety, the Old Boys Association made this donation.
60 face shield, one for each teacher, so that come whenever the term starts, each one of them will have a face shield. And of course, it's to help in safeguarding them and safeguarding the students there.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.